In this video, we'll share some tips and strategies to help you cultivate that special something that makes others respect you. You too can learn how to command respect and make a lasting impression on those around you. Have you ever found yourself in awe of someone who always seems to command respect and admiration from those around them? Perhaps you've wondered what their secret is, or wished you could be like them. After all, being respected is a valuable asset that can open doors and help you succeed in all areas of life. When others respect you, they value your opinions and thoughts. They listen when you speak and take your ideas into consideration. But earning respect isn't always easy. It takes effort and a willingness to put yourself out there. Number 1, it's important to speak less and listen more. Listening is more than just an act of hearing words, it is a powerful tool for building meaningful relationships with others. When you take the time to listen to others, you show them respect and value their thoughts and feelings. People love to be heard and appreciated, and by listening attentively, you give them that gift. Not only does active listening make the other person feel important, but it also allows you to learn more about them. You gain insight into their perspectives, experiences, and values, which can help you build a deeper connection with them. Moreover, you never know what new ideas, perspectives, or solutions you may discover by simply listening to what others have to say. Listening is a mature and respectful way to interact with others, and it can earn you their respect in return. It shows that you care about their thoughts and feelings and are willing to put in the effort to understand them. So the next time you engage in a conversation, take a moment to truly listen, and watch as your relationships flourish. Number 2, employ body language that exudes confidence. That's absolutely right. Body language plays a crucial role in how we communicate with others and how they perceive us. It can either enhance or detract from our verbal message, and it's essential to be aware of the signals we're sending through our body posture, gestures, and facial expressions. Standing tall, walking with purpose, and making eye contact demonstrate confidence, openness, and assertiveness. In a professional setting, confident body language can help you establish a positive first impression and build trust with your colleagues and superiors. It can also help you project authority, credibility, and leadership skills, which are critical for career advancement. Therefore, paying attention to your body language can improve your communication skills, help you build strong relationships, and enhance your professional image. Number 3, avoid being excessively apologetic. Excessive apologizing can be detrimental to your image and credibility. You don't want to come across as feeble or indecisive by habitually saying sorry. This could potentially diminish people's esteem for you. Instead, if you make a mistake, take a moment to reflect on the reason behind your actions and use it as a learning experience. It's perfectly okay to apologize sincerely if you genuinely feel remorseful, but avoid going overboard and don't apologize for being yourself. Remember, confidence and authenticity are key ingredients to building respect and trust. Number 4, demonstrate to others that you hold yourself in high esteem. One of the most effective approaches to earning respect from others is by demonstrating that you prioritize self-respect. People are more likely to take you seriously when they observe that you hold a positive view of your capabilities and yourself. Even if you're unsure of your abilities, it's essential to walk confidently and appear knowledgeable. Respecting yourself also involves acknowledging your shortcomings and being truthful with yourself. Take responsibility for your errors, and use them as an opportunity to grow. Don't attempt to conceal your flaws because everyone has them. Being able to recognize your mistakes and learn from them shows that you're mature and strong, and it will ultimately earn you respect from those around you. Number 5, maintain your reliability by fulfilling your commitments consistently. Being reliable is a fundamental trait that inspires admiration and trust. To earn the respect of others, it's crucial to be a person of your word. You must possess a sense of integrity that compels you to fulfill your promises, no matter how small or big they are. However, if you can't follow through with a commitment, don't pretend that everything is okay. Be straightforward and honest about it. Avoid making promises you can't keep or resorting to deceitful tactics to evade accountability. Being trustworthy is a quality that pervades every aspect of your life. It's a crucial foundation that allows you to gain the confidence and appreciation of others. Number 6, ensure that you maintain control over your emotions and refrain from becoming angry or losing your temper. It's essential to manage your anger and temper, as expressing it through an aggressive or irritable tone can be perceived as unprofessional and off-putting. Remember, others are not obliged to tolerate your outbursts, and while it's natural to feel angry at times, you cannot expect others to control those emotions for you. If you fail to manage your temper, it will be tough for others to respect you. When you sense yourself getting angry, take a moment to cool off and communicate calmly and rationally. This way, you can demonstrate that you're in charge of your emotions and a dependable person to work with. Over time, earning respect requires effort, but it's undoubtedly worth it. Number 7: Exhibit humility. While self-confidence is undoubtedly an admirable quality to possess, an excess of it can quickly spiral into the realm of arrogance. Individuals who are overly self-assured tend to view themselves as superior to others, an attitude that often earns them little respect from their peers. Conversely, a healthy sense of self-esteem is characterized by a willingness to acknowledge the accomplishments of others and share credit where it is due. Being humble and admitting one's fallibility is a sign of strength and is likely to garner the admiration and esteem of those around us. After all, as the old adage goes, pride comes before the fall. Number 8: Establish distinct limits and ensure that they are followed. If you find yourself being taken advantage of or feel like you're too kind-hearted, it's time to establish some boundaries. Allowing others to walk all over you without consequences sends a message that you don't value yourself enough. Be clear about the limits you set and be prepared to uphold them. When someone oversteps a boundary, kindly but firmly let them know. If they continue to push past your limits, make it clear that their behavior is unacceptable. People admire those who establish boundaries and are strong enough to enforce them. Taking the time to establish boundaries with everyone in your life, not just romantic partners or family members, is critical for emotional self-care. Number 9: Instead of being a follower, behave as a leader. If you want to earn the admiration and respect of others, it's important to step up and be a leader instead of a follower. Those who take charge and have a clear vision for the future are the ones who gain respect and recognition. Leaders are not afraid to take risks and work hard to achieve their goals. On the other hand, followers tend to blend in and go with the flow without having their own ideas or opinions. They lack the confidence to take charge and make decisions, and as a result, are not usually respected. So, if you want to be respected and admired, don't be afraid to be creative, take charge, and make bold decisions. Your willingness to lead will make people look up to you and recognize your confidence and capabilities. Number 10: Demonstrate your confidence to them. If you want to earn the respect of others, it is crucial to project confidence. This implies feeling at ease with yourself, without being afraid of criticism or the necessity to pretend. Of course, basic manners and kindness go a long way, but never compromise your authenticity in the pursuit of pleasing others. Remember, trying too hard to impress can backfire and make you appear fake or insecure. It's okay to feel a bit uncertain on the inside, but outwardly projecting confidence, even if it takes some practice, will eventually become second nature to you. Number 11: Be open to accepting the opinions of others and show respect towards their views. Embrace the diversity of ideas and opinions that surround you, even if they diverge from your own. By doing so, not only do you demonstrate your maturity, but you also convey to others that you value and appreciate them as unique individuals. When you take this approach, you not only validate and respect others, but you also wield a powerful tool that can build strong relationships. Granted, it may be challenging to uphold this principle, especially when you disagree with someone's viewpoint. But it's equally crucial not to dismiss their perspectives without first weighing them against your own. Neglecting to do so can lead to conflicts down the line, as their opinions may clash with your own actions or beliefs. In the end, always remember that everyone has the right to express their own opinions. So, listen intently and with an open mind, and be willing to learn from those who hold differing views. Who knows? You may discover a fresh perspective that enriches your life in ways you never imagined. Discover these 11 powerful traits that will not only transform your life but also earn you the admiration and respect of those around you. Take the time to absorb and apply these traits and witness the incredible impact they will have on your relationships and interactions with others. We would love to hear your thoughts on this list.